Good afternoon from Seattle, or good evening to the rest of the country on the East Coast. We're continuing what has been a long journey of doing a book on legal blogging for lawyers, 45 chapters long. And one of the chapters that we've not covered yet is on influencers. When I'm talking to a lawyer about who their audience is, they're always going to say clients. And who they mean is clients and prospective clients. The audience that they miss is twofold. One, referral sources, people that would refer clients to them, but probably the most important audience, bigger than clients, bigger than prospective clients, bigger than referral sources, is influencers. Who are the people that influence those people? Over the years, you see lawyers that want to get on TV. I certainly enjoyed getting on TV as a lawyer based on cases I was involved in because it increased my notoriety and people thought more of me. The TV station was an influencer. So was the newspaper when they wrote about stories I was involved in or about me as a lawyer. With a blog, you have a printing press, and you can reach the other people that have a printing press. You can reach the other people that have a video. But what you want to do is do that in a targeted way. So let's say you're a workers' compensation lawyer in Seattle, Washington. You want to think about who are the influencers of your audience. Well, obviously, people that might be writing about labor issues, employment issues, people that reach employees that might get hurt. You want to be looking at bloggers around the country that are writing on workers' compensation issues. It doesn't matter if it's a blogger in New York or Miami, Florida, or Chicago. You want to be referencing what they're writing about so they're hearing you so that they might follow your blog and they're citing you. Because if I'm picking a workers' compensation lawyer in Seattle, one of the things I'm going to be looking at is how prestigious are you viewed by other people? Well, if you're cited by lawyers in Chicago or Miami, that's influence. You've reached an influencer. You might be looking at conferences. What conferences do you want to be speaking at? Are there particular types of conferences that have employment lawyers that don't necessarily do workers' compensation in defense or plaintiff-oriented? You want to be referencing those conferences so that you're talking about what they're talking about. If you were doing estate planning work, influencers might be financial planning blogs. It might be people that are involved in any sort of planning of an estate. Who do they follow? And just make a list of those people. And when you put them in a list, what you want to be able to do is to say, I'm following them on Feedly, I'm following them on Twitter. I'm now connecting with the influencers that are influencing my audience. LexBlog was built in large part because we connected with influencers. I found the Legal Marketing Association. I connected with them. It put me in front of a large audience of people that procured services from LexBlog because they were influenced by the fact that I was in front of that audience. And that audience didn't come by chance. It came because I went out and connected with the Legal Marketing Association and influencer. So as a lawyer, make a list of the influencers of your clients and prospective clients. Critically important in blogging. Thanks much.